So this is how you can invite someone to your Trello board. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to invite people into your board. Now this is very simple. Let's get started by opening our Trello website. Just type in Trello in your main browser and then search it up. Once you're here, you will see the main website of Trello. Let's go ahead and create a new board and name it whatever we want. I'm just going to put hello. And once we do, it's going to send us to this board right here. Now it's very empty because I just made it, but that doesn't really matter. This can work for any kind of board. Now, as you can see, there is this blue share button that you can tap on, and then you can tap on share to share the link to an email address. So you're going to want to type their email address here and then tap on share. Or you can just give them a link by tapping on create link, and you can change the permissions of the link by changing it as a member or just an observer. For example, if you want someone to see the board but not be able to edit it, or if you just want to have someone in the board and they can edit stuff and do whatever they want. That is the member one. And the other is observer. So that's pretty much it. Once you make the link, you can either copy it and send it to someone or delete it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.